Life of Earth was not always as it is now. One of the most interesting topics for humanity has been the advancement of living species. How did life begin? How did the species evolve? Both science and religion have tried to answer these questions in several ways. Science states that human beings evolved from monkeys, but religion preaches that God created human beings and sent them to Earth. It may come as a surprise to many people, but the Indians explained Darwin's theory of evolution thousands of years before Darwin. The 10th incarnations of Lord Vishnu or Dashavtar are an extraordinary record or the evolution of human life and the advancement of human civilization. Hinduism, the oldest religion in the world, has a concept called Dashavtar. It says that Lord Vishnu descends to earth in the form of an incarnation to restore the cosmic order. Now you wonder why we are talking about Dashavtar and Darwin's theory of evolution together. This is because the two are surprisingly similar. Interesting, right? Lord Vishnu's 10 incarnations include Matsya, Kurma, Varha, Narsimha, Vaman, Parshuram, Ram, Krishna, Buddha and Kalki. We will keep this video limited to the first 6 because the evolution of the species did not occur after that. At least not yet. Stage 1. Life started in the water. Proto. Amphibians who lived mainly in the water. This can be seen as the first stage of life. For example, prehistoric fish. Lord Vishnu's first avatar was Matsya. Lord Vishnu took the form of a fish to save Manu from massive flood. Darwin believed that water is the most essential ingredient in sustaining life, and that is where life originated. Stage 2. Life moved from water to the land. Darwin said that the species then start coming out of water and became reptiles. Lord Vishnu's second avatar is Kurma. Kurma means tortoise, which is a reptile that walks on 4 legs. Everyone knows that tortoise is a creature capable of living on land and water, which indicates the transition of life from water to land. Stage 3. Adapted to live on land. The next logical step in evolution had to be the ability to travel on land. To achieve this, the species began to develop legs. The wild boar, the third incarnations of Lord Vishnu. It represents the birth of the mammal. You may ask, why the wild boar? Why not a deer or monkey or other mammals? The reason is that wild boar belongs to the Suina family, whose jaw or teeth are in front, and therefore they do not need to swallow their food like we humans do. It is extremely enlightening to note that Hinduism had such a very insightful knowledge thousands of years ago. Stage 4. Transformation from animal to ape. Finally, primates evolved in intermediate species, who were like the link between animals and humans, but their brains were not yet fully developed. Narsimha's avatar had the characteristics of man and those of an animal. This may be similar to the species from which the first humans evolved. The interesting thing to note here is that Narsimha has the upper part of a lion's body but the lower part of a man's body. This is important because it relates directly to the idea of pre-human without a well-developed brain. But with the partial ability to become a biped, this may be an extinct human ancestor, like someone who could be the missing link between monkeys and humans. Stage 5. Transformation from ape to human. Developed intelligence. The fifth avatar, Vamana, was a dwarf human being, visually very similar to the sort of monkey species from which humans evolved. If you look at evolutionary charts, the oldest form of monkeys from which humans evolved was in fact much smaller in height than today's humans. Stage 6. Forest dweller. Humans developed stone tools. The short monkey-like species ended up becoming what we call primitive man, Parshurama. Lord Vishnu's sixth avatar was very similar to this. Parshuram lived in the forest and used primitive weapons made of stone and wood like an axe, known for his anger and acting on a whim. In the story of evolution, all these are the traits commonly associated with primitive man who live in caves. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, do like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already.